Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a nice little Asian recipe that I do get from my local takeaway from time to time. It is a bean curd with vegetables in XO sauce, the most amazing flavour ever. Right, a little bit of peanut oil into a wok, just like that, and I'm going to add in a little bit of capsicum. I'm just going to be using a yellow capsicum. They're on special, they look good, and they give you just a nice little bit of colour. We're going to just fry those off lightly and get a bit of colour on those. Alright, it's going to take around about 36 to 2 minutes worth. I'm going to add in some shiitake mushrooms, right? They're just a canned type mushroom, and I've just given those a little bit of a slice up. Okay, so you can just add those straight in. You can use fresh mushrooms if you want. I'll leave that all up to you. Right, just give those a little bit of a stir through. They're going to sit in there for a couple of minutes or so. Right, just moving them around from time to time. And if you haven't tried cooking shiitake mushrooms or bean curd before, it is really easy to do, and it's a different type of way of actually getting some protein into your diet. You don't have to go meat every single time. Now I've got some absolutely beautifully top-tailed and stringed snow peas, and I'm going to put those in. Again, I'm going to get a little bit of colour on there. The reason I'm putting all these in first is the last part of this recipe is so fast to do, right? And nothing like getting a bit of colour on a snow pea. Just gives it amazing flavours. Right, so as you can see, we've got a little bit of smoke coming off that wok, which is exactly what we want. We're going to put that in with the other vegetables, right, straight back into that little bowl on the side. Right, how easy is this so far to do? Okay, so here I've got some fried bean curd, also known as fried tofu. You can get that from your local Asian grocer. You can also get that at some of your fruit and veg shops, and even some supermarkets. I know they sell it in huge packets at Costco. We're going to add in a little bit of spring onion, just like that. Now, bean curd itself doesn't have a lot of flavour, so what sauce are we going to do to make it get the maximum amount of flavour? We're going to use a really strong sauce, which is XO sauce. Now, you can make XO sauce yourself. It doesn't take long to do, and it is pretty easy to do, but finding the ingredients is hard to do, right? Especially where I am in the Australian Capital Territory of Australia. Pretty hard to find the dried scallop that we actually need to make this particular dish. Alright, a little bit more oil into our wok, just like that. Now it's time to play, right? I've got a nice big tablespoon's worth of XO sauce. I've just bought that from a local Asian supermarket. It is a little bit expensive, but then again, when you look at the ingredients are very, very pricey. Alright, I'm just going to fry that XO sauce off a little bit, not too long. We just want to flavour that oil up, right? Just give that a good stir, just like I'm doing right there. And because we've cooked everything off beforehand, all we have to do now is just give that a quick reheat in the XO sauce. But we also want to make sure that XO sauce is going to coat all of our vegetables. So I'm going to put in a little bit of chicken stock with a little bit of corn flour. It's going to help make a nice gravy. It'll thicken up as we give this all a good stir into the wok. We've thrown everything back in, all the kiddies back in the pool. It's going to take around about 90 seconds or so for it all to thicken up, and we'll end up with the most amazing light gravy. Serve that in the bowl, a little bit of spring onion or scallion over the top, just like that. Serve it up with a little bowl of steamed white rice, right, just like I'm doing right there. And if you want to add a little bit of fukiari seasoning over the top, you most certainly can. Just adds to the flavour. Love you, so you try and make this one at home. It is quick, it is easy, it is light, it is super healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment, Love reading, love responding to them. But in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a really quick and pretty healthy Asian dish just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After eating my bean curd with vegetables and XO sauce, and I will catch you next time. Bye.